I'm just on my way to Hardwick Park, the 2,000-acre estate again, as there's a nice waterfall there from a slow motion video. I'll be doing comparison tests of the Pocket 3 versus the Action 4, going through the slow motion modes, just comparing them. I did some commercial drone work for the National Trust the other year, so I've got quite a lot of drone footage from that. I'll just put some drone clips up now so you can see how large the park is. At the waterfall, let's get both cameras set up on tripods. We're going to start them off in HD at 60 frames per second, and then we're going to go to 100 frames per second, and then at 120 frames per second. Then we're going to jump to 2.7K on both cameras, again at 60 frames per second, 100 frames, and then 120 frames. And then we're going to switch to the higher 4K resolution. We're going to also do the same, 60 frames, 100 frames, and 120 frames. And then we're going to do the modes in 240 frames. Now, on the Pocket 3 and the Action 4, you can only get 240 frames per second in HD. So we'll do a comparison test at 240 frames on both cameras also. Right, let's get to it. So this is 1080, 60 frames per second on the Action 4. Here we go. So that's the basic modes done on the Pocket 3. Now I'm going to switch to the slow motion mode, and that starts at 120 frames in HD and then goes straight to 240 frames. So let's turn the camera around and go in slow motion mode, starting off at HD, 120 frames per second. Here we go. Now on the Action 4, we're going to switch over to the slow motion mode. It's a nice blue sky day with a few clouds around. So why I'm up here, but cheeky not to do a motion lapse with the Pocket 3. So what I've noticed on the Pocket 3, which differs from the Action 4, when you're filming in the slow motion mode on the Pocket 3, it's almost like a fixed preset at 50%, and then when you try and slow that down further in post, it becomes really choppy, almost like you're filming at 30 frames per second. So that's something DJI need to address in the future update, I'm sure. So I'm hoping that slow motion video can help you out in certain scenarios there. As you can see with the waterfall, especially when it's sunny, you'll get really crisp footage. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and bye for now.